Before using a ring or plate for the first time, and before each measurement, the measuring probes must be thoroughly cleaned. Required equipment: distilled water, solvent, e.g. isopropanol, sample vessel, beaker, and gas burner. Put on safety glasses and safety gloves before starting cleaning work. Work in a well-ventilated area where open flames are allowed. Throughout the entire cleaning operation, make sure not to exert any mechanical force on the measuring probes so as not to distort them. Step 1. Rinsing the measuring probe after use in an aqueous system. Rinse off the measuring probe under running tap water. Rinse again with distilled water. Continue with Step 2. Step 1. Case 2. After contact with organic liquids. Rinse the measuring probe over a beaker using a suitable solvent. In the case of heavier contamination, pour the solvent into the beaker. Place the measuring probe in the beaker. With persistent contamination, leave the measuring probe in the solvent until the contamination has started dissolving. Rinse again with isopropanol. After cleaning, rinse off the measuring probe with distilled water. Step 2. Heating the measuring probe. Light the gas burner. Open the air inlet fully to produce a blue flame. Rotate the measuring probe smoothly between thumb and forefinger. Hold the measuring probe in the flame. The ring and the plate below the shaft must always be held completely within the flame while being heated. When the entire measuring probe is glowing red, remove it from the flame. Continue to rotate the measuring probe for at least 15 seconds so that it cools uniformly and does not distort. Place the measuring probe into the instrument. Your tensiometer is now ready for the next measurement.